In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change wallet on OpenSea. By the end, you'll know how to unlink a wallet you no longer want to use and link a new one safely and correctly. First, open your browser and go to the official OpenSea website at opensea.io. Take a second to double check the URL so you're on the legitimate site. If you use a browser wallet extension, make sure it's unlocked before you start so things move smoothly. Once you're on OpenSea, move your cursor to the profile icon in the top right corner. Don't click yet, just hover. This opens a quick menu where you can access your account settings and wallet options. If you see a prompt from your wallet asking you to connect or sign, that's normal. It's just verifying that you're the owner. From that menu, click Manage Wallets. This takes you to OpenSea's wallet linking page where you can view every wallet currently connected to your account. Think of this page as your control center for adding or removing connections without affecting your actual crypto or NFTs. Find the wallet you want to stop using. Next to it, you'll see a small icon with 3 dots. Click those dots to reveal more options. Choose the option to unlink the wallet. If you're asked to confirm, go ahead and confirm. Unlinking simply removes OpenSea's connection to that wallet. It does not move or delete your assets. Your NFTs and funds stay in the wallet. You're just disconnecting it from this marketplace. With the old wallet unlinked, you're ready to connect the one you want to use going forward. On the same wallet linking page, click Link a Wallet. A list of supported wallets will appear. Pick the wallet you want and follow the prompts from your wallet provider. You'll typically approve a connection and sign a message, which is a secure, gas-free way to prove ownership. If your wallet has multiple accounts, make sure you select the exact account you intend to use on OpenSea. After you've approved the connection, you should see the new wallet listed as linked. To confirm everything worked, return to your profile and check that your collectibles, balances, or activity reflect the wallet you just connected. If something looks off, refresh the page or quickly disconnect and reconnect the wallet to reset the session. That's it. You went to OpenSea, opened the wallet management menu, unlink the wallet you don't want to use, and link the new one. Keep your wallet secure, sign only on the official site, and you'll be set to manage your assets with confidence.